Hi guys! Welcome to ANNinspiration. Today we're going to make a no-bake cheesecake. This is an easy to make dessert for those who want to make a dessert that is quick and easy, but at the same time very yummy. So for our ingredients, we have here 2 cups of cream cheese, and then 1 cup of cream, okay, any cream, and then 1 can of condensed milk. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to beat our cream cheese. The good thing is I have already taken the cream cheese from the freezer, so hindi na siya masyadong hard. And now that is softened, you slowly add the condensed milk. Then you add the cream. Could be a whipped cream, heavy cream, or just your ordinary salad cream. Na wala na siyang mga lumps. Very smooth na talaga. Okay, meron na tayong cream. Pero, what do you do so that it doesn't fall apart? You know, you have to let it set or stick para hindi siya, mag-set apart. So, what you can do if it's kasi if you bake, something that will set your cake is the eggs. Okay? But if it's a no-bake, what you can use is your gelatin. Okay? So, this is 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and then we're going to dissolve it on a 1/4 cup of water. So just dissolve the gelatin, or you can use the gulaman powder. Actually, you can also use that to set, but then the difference is the gulaman that can be used for people who don't eat animal protein. So this one is made of animal protein. So just try to melt the gelatin on your water, because this is one ingredient that will make it stick. And according to Chef RV, I got it from him. In order for things to stick together, you just need to learn the basics. So, ito daw yung basic. So, if it's baking, you use eggs. If it's not baking, you use gelatin. So, the same thing daw sa relationship. If you want the relationship to stick or to last, then you need to know the basics. So, what are those basics? So, if you want to make your friendship last. What are the basics in friendship? Okay, probably understanding, trust. Understanding is very important in friendship because you need to understand that you are different, you came from different backgrounds, you have different perspectives in life. Let's try to heat this, not really boil it, just heat it for a short time. So just let it smoke. Don't really let it boil. So going back to the ingredients of making relationships work, learning the basics. So the same thing. How do you let your relationship with your girlfriend or boyfriend or spouse stick? Okay, so you need trust. You need constant communication. Again, understanding, and it's the same thing with other relationships. So, know the basics. So, here we are with our gelatin. We can now add it to our cream. Already prepared in advance this choco crust and graham crust. So to prepare this, you just combine your crushed graham with melted butter. Okay, and then you try to mix it together and press it on your container, whatever container you want. Okay, for this time, I'm trying to use this cute glasses for my container. So you try to freeze it for 30 minutes, okay, so that it will really stick. And then after that, you can now pour the cream over it. And then to make this cream really settle, you have to refrigerate it for 6 hours. The best is overnight. Huwag daw madaliin, so that something will not be broken. Huwag madaliin. Let it take time. Okay? Still the same thing in a relationship. If you want to let it work and last, huwag madaliin. Take time. Okay? So, this is it. Let's now try to pour this cream over to this crust. Okay. For this other one, this is crushed Oreo cookies. And this is graham. Okay, you scoop the cream on your container with the crust already. So it would look like this. Now that our cream cheese has settled, we're ready to put our toppings. For this one, I'm going to use blueberries because usually when you say cheesecake, you always want blueberries. So we're going to have blueberry cheesecake. So we'll put the toppings here. There you have it. Our blueberry cheesecake. I hope you like it. Try this recipe.